Make a great choice today with the 2021 Silverado 2500 HD. This pickup truck pulls unlike any other. This vehicle has less than 150,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, stability control, traction control, tow hitch, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, Bluetooth, power steering, driver airbag. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.